Hello dear subscribers and guests of the channel. The history of this homemade product is as follows. I decided to use an old laptop as a TV box in the kitchen. At the same time, I plugged the TV and laptop into the same outlet that the refrigerator was plugged into. From the burst noise generated by the refrigerator at the moment the compressor was turned off, the HDMI output in the laptop was damaged. Such pulse interference can also lead to momentary image loss. And the reason is banal: there was no decent network filter in the budget TV. In order not to ruin the remaining VGA output, I decided to make a surge protector from a tin can. The printed circuit board with such a surge protector can be borrowed from an old CRT TV or from an old desktop computer power supply. Of course, you could buy a factory surge protector, but a real filter with a choke costs just as much as an inexpensive TV box costs. And in cheap filters, apart from 1 or 2 capacitors, there is nothing. Regarding the switch on the lid of the can, since the audio signal is not transmitted over the VGA cable, I brought it to the old computer speakers. The toggle switch in the surge protector is just designed to turn them off. The fact is that these columns were not provided with a power switch. I did not shoot this video on purpose, but simply installed a couple of cameras above the desktop. So if something is hard to see somewhere, I apologize. See you on the channel, dear friends.
По которой летишь со скоростью около 8 километров.